Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a server to the client with a private interface. So as I mentioned in the last video, I created a virtual network adapter called VMNet1, okay, as you can see, with the IP address. So the IP address in the instruction is supposed to be you need to change this one, the IP address, to the IP address in the instruction, as well as with subnet mask, and make sure you don't use a local DHCP service, because the server will be running DHCP server to allocate IP addresses to clients. Okay, so you just need to change IP address, follow the instructions on that, on the project, final project. And as you can see, VM1net is a private interface, should be connected to the server. Let's say this is the server. Gonna name it, rename it here. So let's go to rename. And let's say this is server 1 here. Then I'm gonna use CentOS right here, and I'm gonna actually rename it to client 1 right here. Okay, so we have client 1 and server 1. Client 1, I'm going to close all those guests. I'm going to keep just the, so we have client 1 and server 1 right here. So I'm going to go to edit virtual machine, and then I'm going to use VMware 0. So as you can see, as a bridge, this is the interface that will connect you to the internet, and the guest will get the same IP address as the host computer, okay, running VMware. And then we need to add another interface, add then network adapter, finish. Okay, so as you can see, we added NAT. We need to change that from NAT to host only adapter or specific virtual adapter. So we have a specific virtual adapter VM. We have VM0, dev VM1, I think. So we have VM1, right? Let me check this out. Edit virtual network editor. And there we go. So we have VMNet1 host only. Let's save here. Let's go to server 1, edit virtual machine, and then gonna change the okay, I'm gonna add another adapter here, finish. Network VM doesn't match any available item in the list, please select OK. So we're gonna use VM1 here, right, for the second adapter, and then save. So as you can see, now we have two adapters settings. As you can see, we have VM0, VMNet0, and VM1, as you can see. So VM1 will be the private interface, and VMNet0 will be the public interface connected to the internet. Okay, so you need to have both interfaces, okay, on the client as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to the client one and then edit virtual machine, and then I'm gonna go, and as you can see, we have both adapters, dev VMNet0 and the dev VMNet1. So at this point, both they would actually communicate, but the client, because we disabled DHCP on VMware, the client should get an IP, okay, from DHCP, from the server. Okay, so when you install DHCP server, the client's supposed to get an IP address, and they can communicate both. Okay, and this one will actually allows the client and the server to reach the internet. I hope this has been informative for you guys, and I would like to thank you for viewing.